The Kärcher Ultra Clean Carpet and Couch Cleaner is perfect for deep cleaning not only your carpets and couches, but also your upholstered furniture, mattresses, and even your car seats. With the Kärcher Ultra Clean, there is no need to get your carpets professionally cleaned to restore their new look and feel. You can achieve the same fresh result yourself.
I love being able to clean my carpet and couch whenever I like. I didn't realise these products were even on the market. I thought you had to hire a professional carpet cleaner every time I wanted it done. And it's so satisfying emptying out the dirty water at the end of the clean.
It works by spraying a cleaning detergent deep into the fabric fibres to loosen the dirt, and then the powerful vacuum simply sucks the dirty water away. Not only is the Kärcher Ultra Clean great at bringing discoloured carpet or furniture back to life, but it's also perfect for using as a spot cleaner for nasty spills. Yogurt, pasta sauce, even pet accidents can be removed out of your carpet and furniture with just a few passes from the Kärcher Ultra Clean.
I have young kids who are always spilling food or spewing up on the carpet and couch. So the Kärcher Ultra Clean has been a godsend for getting those stains out and allowing us to still have nice looking floors and furniture.
The Kärcher Ultra Clean is easy to set up and use. Simply fill the clean water container with Kärcher RM519 carpet cleaner detergent, add some water, plug it in, and you're good to go.
I'd have to say the most satisfying thing for me about the Kärcher Ultra Clean is looking at all of that dirty water being sucked out of my couch and flowing up through the nozzle. It's so gross to think that I've been sitting on that all this time.
To clean, ensure the machine is on vacuum mode and hold the trigger to spray your cleaning chemical over the area you would like to clean. This option allows you to do a quick clean all in one motion. Alternatively, you can turn vacuum mode off and spray your chemical over your cleaning area and allow it to sit for 30 to 45 seconds. This will give the detergent a little longer to react with the dirt inside the fibres. When you are ready, simply vacuum away the dirty water. This approach works better for removing stubborn stains and nasty spills within the carpet or fabric. When you're finished, cleanup is easy. Simply tip out the dirty water container and rinse. The versatility of the Kärcher Ultra Clean means it can be used on any area with carpet or fabric.
I'm a bit of a car enthusiast. Always seem to be cleaning my car on the inside and out almost every weekend. Normal vacuuming is okay, but the Kärcher Ultra Clean allows me to go to that next level and deep clean my car's interior. It feels like I'm driving a brand new car.
It is great for the car to bring back the colour of the seats, carpet, and even the roof, or removing nasty spills that are so common in our cars.